Hello, good day, ladies and gentlemen. I'm so excited to have you on this particular tutorial again and to have you on my channel. So please, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. So on this particular tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create this particular website using Canva, an e-commerce website that you can create just using your smartphone. You can use this tutorial on canva.com or Canva web version, and you can use it on Canva mobile app or Canva desktop app. I hope you understand me. And also, let me show you some things that I do. I have navigation tabs. When I click on services, it will bring me to that. When I click on product, it will bring me here. When I click on contact us, you can see it is moving up and down. So I'm going to show you how to create this price, how to replicate this particular website using Canva. Even though there are some elements that I use that are for Canva Pro users, but I have downloaded everything that you need. You can check the link on the description or on the find comment section. It will redirect you to a Google Drive folder so that you can download everything you need to recreate this particular website using Canva. So I'm opening my canva.com. After doing that, just move aside like that and you will find website. After finding the website, just click on business website. After clicking on the business website, just wait for it like that and click on this plus one, that is the blank template. So I'm gonna recreate everything from beginning to the very end on how I create the website. So all you need to do is to just click on this, and then what you need to do next is to change the background. We need to change the background to this color. Click on this plus color and then input this particular color code. The color code is 56. The color code I use, you can use your brand color combination. I'm just trying to show you how I did that. So I have changed the background color to this color. So what you need to do next is to just head over to plus button and then click on this particular element. After clicking the element, just select the square shape just like this one. After selecting it, click on it and change the color of it to white, because I want to create something very amazing, something different from other people. That's why I do something like that from beginning. So I get the home page, if you can see it, just like that. So I'm trying to input the content right now in this particular place. So all you need to do is to just click on this plus button. After clicking on it, just click on upload and then input that particular logo. Yes, I create this logo using a Canva Pro account, so I downloaded it. If to say you are going to use it, I understand you don't have Canva Pro account, because the font I used to create this logo is a font that I upload into Canva. It's not a font that you can find in Canva. So I download the font and extract it and upload into Canva. You can see that our logo is not visible. What do I need to do is to just click on effect. After clicking on effect, I can just move aside and find Dotun. After finding Dotun, I can just click on it and then wait for it and click on cherry and select and change the whole color to white, because I want to change everything to white color. You can see our logo is now turning to white from black. You can see it over there. So that is how you will do it for your own. So what next for us is to just input the cut. So let me reduce the size of the logo because I can see it is too much to be there. So I have it like that. So what I need to do next is just click on plus button and come to element. After coming to element, just search for cards, shopping cart icon. Just search for this, you will get it. I hope you can see there are thousands of options. Of which one you can use, but maybe I will choose this one just to use it and manage it. I'm gonna make it all to be black, to be white, so that I can use it over there, because the color I'm using need to have something visible. So you can make it a little bit small. I have to understand, just like we make it for the other one. Okay, so after having that, we are good to go. You can see for the top button, and then we are heading over to the next is to click on this plus button, come to text, and then click on this add a little body of text and paste your text. I have already copied everything that I need to input, so you can do that for you to save your time. I hope you understand me. Then click on this text and then head over to font. After heading over to font, just search for Poppins extra bold, 4 pins. Just search for 4 pins. You will find 4 pins medium, 4 pins extra bold. Just wait for it. It is my network. Yes, you can see. So I use the extra bold. I'll just increase the size of it to 82. I think 82 is pretty okay. 82.2. Let me just use this. And then what do I need to do is to just head over to color and use this color because it is the color I'm using for the brand. So head over to format and change the paragraph to the first paragraph. You can see what I did. And then head over to spacing. I reduce the line spacing to be 0.8. Just you can input 0.8. You are good to go just like that, and then place it to be somewhere here. I hope you can see what I'm doing over there. So we are good to go just like that, and then click on this plus button again and add a little body of text, and then input this particular text. Yes, our semi headline. I can just input it to be here, and then head over to font and use Poppins medium. I use one font for this particular design. We use Poppins medium, and then head over to font size and reduce the font size of it to be 24.8. Yes, we can use 24.8, and then crop it to be something like this. I hope you understand me. Just make it to be something better. Let me see it over there so you can see it, and then head over and make it bold, and then come over to this color and change the color of this to black because I want to have a good design, so I need to have a good color combination. And then head over to line spacing. I reduce the line spacing to 1.13. Then you are good to go, and head over to format and change it to the first paragraph also. So you are good to go just like this. Let me see the text. Okay, so I have it something like this. I can just place it also down of this one. So what do I need to do next is to just click on this text again and duplicate it and bring it down and input order. Now you can input learn more button or something else. I hope you understand me. I'm just trying to show you how to do it. You can create your own content for your brand or for your services. I hope you understand me. I'm just trying to show you how to do it in Canva. So you input order. Now just head over to plus button, come to element, click on element again and select this particular shape. Yes, we are going to use that particular shape, and then reduce it to be something like that. Make sure you align everything. Make sure you are following alignment because that is what makes your design to be more beautiful than other people's doing. So we input this, and then we need to change the color of this one to white. And then what next for us is to change the font size. Change the font size to 25 instead of 24. 25.2. Yes, after that I'm good to go. I can just make sure it is in the middle of this and center, so I got it right. And even this particular shape, I think I got it right, so that is pretty much okay. So now we are almost done with the page 1. So let me just click on this particular plus button and search for this particular element. 3D. If you are a Canva Pro user, you can just come over and search. If you are a Canva 3D online, if you are a Canva free user, I have downloaded everything as I have said earlier, that you can find them on the comment section, on the find comment, or you can find them on the description of this particular video. So this is the particular one I use, I think so, on the other place. So you can see it over there. I got it, so I can just input it somewhere here. I can just reduce the size of it a little bit and have it just like that. So this is pretty okay and good to go. Okay, so now we are done with the page 1. All I need to do is to just click on the page and duplicate the page. I hope you understand me. And then let me show you something. If you like, let's assume you want to input a lot of things on this particular page 1. You don't want to have a lot of pages. You can just do something like that. You can see it over there. You can drag it. But as a Canva free user, as a Canva smartphone user, not using desktop, it will really affect you because it will be something hard for you to move down and up. I hope you understand me. So I just prefer to open another page just like that to duplicate this particular page. And then what I will do is just to delete the background and then delete this particular color, delete the logo, delete the cat icon, you already know it. And then I'm changing the color from white to this particular color, EF. I hope you understand. Just use this particular color code, and then we are good to go just like that. Delete this particular text, also delete this one, and then we can leave this one if we like. We can just increase this to maximum canvas we have. You can see the red line is showing, so I'm gonna leave it just like that. You can see it over there what I have, and you can see what I got here. So that is how I got that. And then I'm gonna click on this particular text and change the color of it to this white color, or to that particular EF. And then what do I need to do next is to head over to format and change it to this particular middle format, and click on it and double click to select everything. Head over down to your coffee text. Let me see it. Yes, our website, upper so and so on. Okay, so now I got that. What do I need to do is to change the font size to 25.3. That is the font size I use for this. And then what do I need to do also is to just bring it down, take the order now off. Yes, make sure it is in the middle and center as I have said earlier to you. Let me see what I use here. Yes, so this is how I leave it on the other particular website design. So the next thing I need to do is to input a line. You can see it over there. I have line here and some elements, so I'm just trying to show you everything. So just click on element again. You can find line. You don't have to stress yourself. Just bring the line down a little bit just like that. You can see it over there. So what you need to do next is to just click on plus button again and come to element and search for fast delivery. There are some elements that are for Canva Pro users. That's why I download everything for you. If to say you don't have a Canva Pro account, you can see the one I touched, and let me just leave it at that color and then input this particular cycle. Just click on element and input a cycle, and then reduce the size of the cycle and input it somewhere here. Let me duplicate so that I can see the alignment. No, let me just have it somewhere here. You can see the alignment is showing 105, so I can just leave it like that. What I need to do is to just click on this one and change the position of it to be backward, and then click on this one, reduce the size of it a little bit, and then input it to be somewhere here and change the color of it to be this color. I hope you can see it over there. And then I can click on that order now and bring it down. What I need to do next is to just head over to plus button again and input the order element. Just search for insurance, that is warranty, insurance icon. Yes, this first one I can see some of them are for Canva Pro users. That's why I said to you that I download everything for you just to have something that will ease you. So just input it somewhere here just like this. So make sure you align it to the center and middle of that, and then change the color of it also to this particular brand color we are using. And then head over to plus button again under element and search for return. Yes, return policy. Return, and then just click on see all. I can find the one I use over there. Yes, I think this is the one I use. And then reduce the size of it to be aligned with this one. Yes, and then input it in this particular place, and make sure you align it very clearly, middle and center of this particular text box. Okay, and then head over to color, change the color of it also to this color, and then let me just take the line a little bit down. So I can just input, if you can see on the website I input warranty, delivery, return. So I'll just input that particular text on this particular place. So I can input delivery. Okay, I can just duplicate without wasting of my time and input it to be here, align with the other one. I can input warranty. Yes, I can just click on it and duplicate and take it to this side and input return policy. Yes, I can just input return. So as you can see, we are almost done with this particular page. We are done with this particular page. So what I need to do next is to just add another page. I hope you understand me. And then let's see what we got over there. What we got there is we start inputting our product. So let me just start doing that. Just click on plus button and click on element, and then select this particular shape also that we use on this particular design. So after doing that, just increase the size of it to be something like this, something like this. Yes, make sure you align it clearly and open it this way. I think that is what I got. Okay, yes, so this is what I did, and then I changed the color of it to white. You can see it over there. It is white, but you can see it over there. So I changed the color of it to white, and then head over to plus button, and you can search for Apple effort in case effort. Let's see it. So you can see the one I used on that particular, I think this is the one. Let me see it. Yes, this is the one I used on that particular design. So I can just input it to make it align both middle and center. Okay, on both middle and center. So let me just reduce the size of it a little bit so that I can have enough space to input a shadow. If you can see on this one, we have a shadow on that particular place. So what you need to do is to just click on this plus button and then click on element again and search for shadow. Just search for shadow. After searching the shadow, you can see you can use this one, the first one I touched, or the second one. The second one is for Canva Pro users, so you don't have to worry about the Canva Pro users, because I have downloaded the effort with the shadow on it, so you can just use it on your design without wasting your time. So you can reduce the opacity, the transparency to be like 20. Okay, let us make it just 50. Yes, 50 is pretty much. And okay, so we can just use notch to bring it down, since we bring it to the backward of the position. So we can at least increase the size of it just like that, and make sure we align it to the center. So you can see it over there. This is something beautiful and nice you create over there. So what you need to do next is to click on this plus button again and come to element and select this particular shape. No, I don't want to input any text, so just select it like that and place it somewhere here, and then increase the size of it to be something like this, and duplicate it and increase the size of it also to be something like this. Okay, let me delete this one and duplicate this and bring it up, since I can see I have something bigger than that. So I will just input the other details I can use. I'm going to use this color for this brand color, and for the other one I'm going to change the color, and then use this particular color code 1B 2A 45. Use this particular color code, and then you are good to go. If you use this, okay, let us use something bright. Yes, you can use this color 003A2, 003A2. That is the color code. And then head over to plus button, go to text, and add a little body of text and input your write-up. I have everything, as I have said earlier. I have everything on my clipboard with me, so I just need to keep pasting. So this is the headline. I will input. I'll change the color of it to white color, and then head over to font. After heading over to font, I will change it to Poppins medium. After changing it to that, I will head over to font size. I reduce the font size of it to be 21.7. to 1.7, and then head over to line spacing and reduce the line spacing. Just reduce it to 1.112 is okay. And then let me see what I got there. Okay, so make it bold, go to format and choose a bold format. Yes, so you are good to go, just like that. And then as you did it earlier, just come over to plus button and click on the line. I hope you understand me. And then input it somewhere here and reduce it. After changing the color of it to white, just reduce it. Okay, and then place it somewhere middle here. So what do you need to do? If you can see, I did all of these things I'm showing you right now. I did it on the other one before. So what you need to do next is to just duplicate your text and then input specification. Let me see, I have copied everything on my clipboard. Yes, I have it just like that. You can see it over there. So let me just paste. Yes, so I have everything. You can see it over there. So what's the problem? Yes, so now I got it right. You can see it over there. So I need to input that particular order now. Let me just move this line a little bit up and then reduce the line to be 2. 2 is pretty okay. Let me use notch to take it up a little bit. And also, please, if you find this tutorial very helpful, please like and comment on this video. And if you have any question about Canva, you can ask me. I'll surely respond to your question. Duplicate this particular text and then input order now. And also, you can use this tutorial to monetize it on Fiverr. I hope you understand. You can create this website for $10, $20, and so much more. Don't underrate yourself. Just start doing the right thing and you will get the money. I hope you understand me. You can use Canva to get a lot of money. You are just lying and staying not doing the right thing. That's why you are not making money with Canva. So you need to start doing the right thing and then get to work and understand the process. I hope you understand and understand what your client really wants. Don't just work for them and leave them to go without having what they need. I hope you understand me. Okay, so use this particular, let us reduce the font size to be 20.8. yes, it's pretty okay. So as I am seeing, I need to increase this particular box and then increase this one also. So this is pretty okay, and then increase this particular thing. Yes, I can just drag it to the middle and then take this text in this place. So I will show you some things when I'm done. I will show you something how to input a link, how to input a redirect link. When someone click on this particular order now, it will redirect him to your WhatsApp or to somewhere you want. I hope you understand me. Or you want the person to reach you on on one of your online store, so you can just input that on that particular order now. So when someone visits this website and want to buy your product, so when he click on that order now, it will redirect him to that particular link you input. So what I input on this particular down there is key features. Let me just do this for once and then keep duplicating everything. Key features of the product. So I have everything already copied. Key features. So I can just leave it like that and duplicate the text and take it down a little bit and then click on it and go to my clipboard. Yes, let me see. Manufacturer, Apple, and so. I hope you understand me. So that is how I did it. So click on this particular and go to A, and let me see the font size I use for this. I think I use font size, let me use 17.5. okay, 17.5, and for this specification also is 17.5. I forgot to change it. Yes, so I use 17.5 on this and then I have it in one line. Okay, let me just increase this to something so that we can have something very beautiful, and then take this down a little bit so you can see it over there. This is really nice and beautiful. And also let me show you the font size. You can just use your font size and combinations, it will be beautiful like that. I hope you can see it over there. So before we go further, let me show you how the website will look like. So click on this particular eye, you may see it over there how it will look like. You can see it over there. This is something beautifully create. I hope you understand. And you can see, let me resize it on mobile. On mobile version you may not see it clearly, but you can see it. You can see how it will look like on mobile. This is too big, but you can manage it because many of the people that will visit your website are smartphone users, so you can just leave it as smartphone resize on the mobile. So the next page we need to create is we need to do something like that. So I don't need to do this particular page for Apple iWatch, so I will just go to another page. You can see on this page it is the same thing. I have deleted everything. You can just keep duplicate and twisting the things. Let me show you how to do that. I can just duplicate this one and then click on this one, press and hold, select multiple and select this particular one, and zoom and select this one. I hope you can see it over there. And then group them and turn them and click on this one, select everything. I hope you can see. Select this text, select this shape, and then select this one, select this one, select this one, select. I hope you can see it over there. So after doing that, just click on group, and then you have it. You can move this in group, you can move this in group to this side and this one to this side. After doing that, you can just click on each one and ungroup them. I hope you understand me. Just ungroup them so that you can edit anyone. You can see it over there. Ungroup also to do the right thing. You can see I ungroup this. I have this on this place, I have this on this place. So let me just delete this one and input the iWatch so that you can understand, so that you can understand me better. So let me just delete that particular shadow, I don't need it. Let me just input the iWatch just like this. You can see it over there what I tell you. So you can input the specification, the price if you need, the key features, and the affiliate link. After understand, you can just input that. You can see I twisted everything. So that is how you will do for this TV page. Let us create another page. So I'll just click on this, click another page, and then I'm going to input extra cell. So click on this text and add a little body of text and input your everything. I have said earlier I have everything on my clipboard. So let me just input star cell. So before inputting that, I'm going to use a magic. I hope you understand. I'm going to use a magic. Yes. So I'm going to click on it, increase the size of it, and go to font and select 4 pins extra bold. So after doing that, I will go to font size and increase the font size, reduce the font size of it to be 99.9. 99.9 is pretty okay. And then head over to line spacing to reduce the line spacing to be 0.8 the line spacing, and then take it to this side. Yes, after taking it to that particular side, and then head over to color, head over to format and change the format to this one. You can see it over there what I did. And then head over to color and change the color to this particular color, the brand color we are using. Don't forget that. Click on the plus button and search for online shopping 3D. If you are not a Canva Pro user, don't come searching, because you may not be able to open your website if you use a Canva Pro things. So I will just provide the images for you on the comment section, as I have said earlier, and the description of this particular video. Don't forget to like the video, comment, and share it with your friends so that you can help us to reach more people on YouTube. You can see what I got here is what I got here. You can see it over there. So that is how I did it. It's not a magic. I have everything in Canva. I'm not upgrading Canva, but there are a lot of things that Canva can do for you in a short time that other softwares cannot do. You need to have a knowledge, you need to have other things before you reach a level of professional on other softwares. But in Canva it is not. Once you have a small knowledge, you can do wonders in Canva. So that is it. So I'm going to do something just to make the place more beautiful, and then duplicate this and place it in this place and duplicate again. You can see, just to make something beautiful over there. So I can just use this. Let me just click on the text and bring it the back position, and then click on this one and change it to this color, and leave this one as white, or maybe I can just leave it as this EF, so that I can have something good. I can just select them all and move them aside just like that to have something beautiful. You can see it over there what I'm trying to get. This is very nice and looking more beautiful. So I can just use maybe that particular blue color just to make it visible. So that is it. So what next for us is to just input free delivery to your desktop. Promo ends 10th July. Okay, so let me just group this text and the other things. Okay, I'm grouping them so that I can move them off a little bit, and then I'm heading over to plus button and go to text, select this particular text, and then input this particular write-up. Let me see if I copy everything. Okay, I didn't copy that one, so let me see what I got there. Free delivery to your doorstep, free delivery to your doorstep. The reason why I'm copying everything is because I don't want to waste time writing. I hope you understand me. So if you are designing, even not creating a website in Canva, just create your content on WhatsApp, just copy them, or on your notepad. I hope you understand. Just copy them, and when you come to Canva, you can just keep pasting. Then head over to font and change it to 4 pins medium, and then make it bold. Okay, we can just leave it like that and change the font size of it to be 25.1. Yes, we can open it just like that. Or we can just leave it at that 22. We are using 22. Let me just leave it like that and make it to be bold. Yes, and then make it up a little bit. So after doing this, we need to yes, so let me just click on this one, duplicate and take it down just like we did with the other ones, and input the promo ends, the promo ends 10 July. 10th July 2023. So you can use that, and then head over to font size and increase the font size of it to be 29.3. You are good to go, and head over to format and make it to be on the first paragraph, and then head over to line spacing. I reduce the line spacing of it to be 1.113, and then you are good to go just like that. You can see what I got over there. So that is good. So now we are creating the contact us page. So let us head over to the next page again. Just click on new page. After doing that, what we need to do is to just head over to the plus button and come to photos and search for customer key. Yes, I'm selecting anyone. I just don't want to waste our time, so I can use this, just increase it just like that. You can see what I got over there. So this is it. So I can just double click on it so that I can crop it. I can take this up so that I can find some names. I hope you understand. You can see it over there what I got, and then I'm clicking on this plus button once again, and then search for customer key. Okay, let me go slow down. Since I search for customer care, let me get a lady picture, because I use a lady picture out there. So I will download everything as I have said earlier to you and give it to you. Okay, I use this one. So let me just go to effect and remove the background of it, because I want to remove the background. Okay, wait for it to remove to the background, for the background to be removed, and make sure you clip it and crop it clearly, because what you can create in Canva is, there are a lot of things that you can create in Canva. You are just limiting yourself, and you will get a lot of money when you do that. You just don't know how to do it. Okay, why is it lagging? I don't know why. Yes, the background is removed right now. You can see it over there. So let me just crop it just like this, so that I can have something beautiful, and then use this. Yes, and then use this. Yes, so I can just use it like that, and then I'm gonna use a shape again. Go to elements and use this particular shape. No, I'm not writing anything, so just increase it like that, increase it this way. So make sure you align it and then reduce it just like this. I hope you can see it over there, and then click on it. We can use this color. Okay, let me just use this color since it is our brand color, and then reduce the brightness, the transparency to be 50, or let us make it 70. No, let us make it 80. Yes, 80 is pretty much for this. You can find it in this particular place, what I do over there. So what you need to do is to just input another text, and input contact us, and then input it up there. After doing that, just click on it, change the font to be puffin medium, and then change the color to be white, and then change the format to be bold. After changing the format, come back to font size and reduce the font and increase the font size to be 60.3, or let us make it 61. Yes, and then input it over there. Don't forget to input it just like I do. And then what do you need to do next is to input the other details. Just click on this text and duplicate it and take it to this side. Make sure you go to the color and change it to this color. Let me see what I input over there. Contact ourselves, our support and sell team. Contact our support and sales team. Okay, let me make the S to be big. Yes, so this is it. So that is what I got there. So let me just head over to format, not color, format. I reduce and change the format to the first paragraph. I reduce the line spacing, to be 0.95, and then head over to font size. I reduce the font size to be 41.6, 41.9, 41.9. Then you are good to go, and crop it to be to the middle like that. You can see what I did. Yes, follow alignments. Don't forget to follow alignment. So as I input this, I need another line, so I can just come over to element and use line. So I can just input it down there without wasting of my time. Let me just reduce the size of it. Yes, so let me just leave it like that. As I am seeing, it is bending. The line is bending. No, it is not bending. Let me just reduce it. Okay, I can just take it up there just like that, and let me just see what I did. There is, I input a shape, so I'm gonna click on this particular shape. Please and please, if you find this video very helpful, please like and follow, like and subscribe, and then turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. And then reduce the size of it just to be something like that. I hope you understand me. So then head over to style and reduce the center rounding to be 15. Yes, 15 is pretty okay. And then what you need to do next is to just click on this text and input contact. So just click on contact, and then click on this text and change it to white. After changing it to white, what do you need to do next is to reduce the is to reduce the size of it to be, let me see what we will use here. So we can use this particular font size 25.4. I will duplicate it again and take it to this side and click on duplicate this text again. Yes, let me see what I write over there. Visit support. So I can just input visit support. Okay, I can just open it in to be in one line. Okay, I'm reducing the font size also, and I will do it for the other one. So let me make it to be in the middle on format, middle, and then let me see the font size I use for this. I use font size 21.6. So for this one, it's supposed to be 21.6 also, 21.6 also. So this is what I got. So after doing this, what do I need to do next? Let me see over there. I input email and phone number, so you can just input that. I use 3D icons for this. Let me just search and show you. 3D call. So you can see the one I use just to make the website to be more beautiful. So I use this particular icon. So I input it just like that and input the phone number. Yes, I make sure I follow alignment, and then I change the color also, and then +234989049148083. I hope you can see what I did. Okay, so then I input email. Maybe you have email. Yes, you can see 3D mail. I'm supposed to search for 3D since I'm using 3D. So I can use any one I see. Let me just use this one. You can search for the color you want. I hope you understand. So I just don't want to waste our time. So I can use this and input the mail. Just duplicate this text and input the mail address in this particular place, just like I did. I hope you understand me. So you can input something at gmail.com. Let me say ahr@gmail.com. Let me just use this. Yes, let me just use this. So I use that. So what I need to do next is to just increase this so that I can input the particular copyright of the website. So I need to have a shape. So after having the shape, just increase it and then make sure you turn it down just like that. I hope you can see it, and then duplicate this text and input it. Make sure so that people can see that you are the one that create, or that is the name of your brand. I hope you can see it. So input copyright 2023. Maybe you can input your name or for the brand name. You can see what I do over there. Copyright 2023 Express. So let me show you how to input that particular C. You can see how I input it on my keyboard. So I input Express. So that is how I did that. So I make sure I follow alignment. So that is how I did that for copyright. So you can see the last thing we need to input is that particular customer key. So just head over to plus button and search customer key 3D. Just search for this. You will surely get the one I use. Yes, let's see the one that will give us. Yes, this is the one I use. If you can see it over there. So just reduce the size of it just like this. And then what do I input on it? I input a WhatsApp. So you can embed a WhatsApp link. Just come over to plus button and search for WhatsApp. So I use this one. I just reduce it and input it somewhere here. You can see what I did. So this is how I got that particular website from beginning to the very end. You can see it over there. So this is something beautiful we got and created. So let us now embed some link. I understand, and then we can embed a web page. You can see now I have navigation. So let me show you how to do this and how to embed a link so that when someone clicks on order now, it will redirect him to that particular link. So let us do this right now. Okay, so now I will show you how to add a link that I said earlier. I will show you how to embed your link. When someone click on order now or click on navigation, to redirect them to that particular page. So come back to the first slide and then click on it. After clicking on the first slide, if your view is not something like mine, just click on this three dot up there and click on view setting. You may find thumbnail and show grid. So click on thumbnail. You can see mine is like yours right now. So when I click on three dot, I can just click on view setting and show page thumbnails. So right now I have it like that. So click on the page and then click on this three dot for more, and then come to note. After coming to note, add a title. So I will make this to be home page. I hope you understand me. So after making it to be home page, I will just come over to page 2. Also click on more and then click on notes and then head over and make it to be services, or you can make it our services or something else, but I'm just trying to input services. Okay, go to slide 3 and then head over to the slide 3 and make it to be product. Yes, product, because that is what you sell, product. You can add essence, it is not one product, so you can just leave it like that and then head over to page 4. You configure you can head over to page 6 and then add contact. You can use contact. I hope you understand me. Contact. Yes, so you can leave it like that. So when someone click on, let me show you what I did. Click on this eye. After clicking on the eye, just wait for it. It will start running. Wait for it. Don't disturb yourself because it takes time. It takes time to load. Okay, so let us just wait for it. So it is opening right now. So I'm gonna untick this resize on mobile for the sake of this one. So click on resize on mobile, take it up with navigation. You can see the navigation. You can see page 3, page 6. You can see what I got. So let me show you on mobile. So you can see it over there. When you click on contact, it will redirect you here. You can see what we get there. When you click on product, it will redirect you to this place. When you click on services, it will redirect you here. When you click on home, it will redirect you to the home menu. Okay, so that is it. So what you will do next is you can leave it to resize on mobile. This is how it will look like on mobile phone. I hope you understand me. This is how it will look like on mobile phone with this particular thing on the other side. You can see what I got there. So this is how it will look on resize with mobile. But when you untick resize on mobile, you can see how it will look like. It will look like this one. Even if someone is opening this website with mobile phone, it will open just like this. So if you cannot see some text, you have to zoom to read and zoom out. I hope you understand me. So that is the essence of leaving it with resize on mobile. Everything will be bigger. Everyone can read everything. Everyone can see anything. I hope you understand without wasting of time. So you can choose to how to launch your website. Resize on mobile or not resize is based on you, not me. Okay, so let us get back. So for order now, let's assume you have a web page on, you have a so online store on Flutalweb or paystack.com, or you have a seller, or you have it on seller. You can create a page and input it. I hope you understand me, and input all your product and the payment method. Let's assume you have you just want to redirect person to WhatsApp when he click order now. So let me just click on this. I have generated a wall link. So click on the order now and click on three dot and move aside. You will find link. Just click on that link and paste the particular link you want to input. So I have generated a link and I will show you how it works. So when someone click on this order now, it will redirect him to that particular link. I hope you understand me. So that is it. So let me, when you launch the website, you will get to see it. So let me show you. Okay, I had network issue. I don't know why this is. Okay, let me reshuffle the website. Okay, now it's back. So let us head over to this order now also and input that particular WhatsApp link. As I've told you earlier, you can input a lot of links. You can input any link. Let's assume you have your sales page on Flutter. You can just copy that particular store link and input it on this particular link. Just input. Let's assume I want to redirect them to my Facebook, or I want to redirect them to somewhere else. It will just redirect them. I hope you understand me. So let me just add that particular WhatsApp link also here, and also on the other page let me just add it again. So when someone click on order now, it will surely redirect him to that particular link. That is the essence. That is what you don't know maybe in Canva. So I'm trying to show you now, and it is really working. You can add your social media handles, you can add your, I hope you understand, and a lot of things. You can add many other things. Let me just keep adding that WhatsApp link because I didn't generate any a link for my store, because this is just a tutorial. So you can do that by yourself. Let me just do it again here and input this. So I'm good to go just like that. So for this particular place, for this particular WhatsApp, even for this WhatsApp, let me just add it. You can add to anything, not only text. You can add to anything, a shape, an image, everything you know in Canva. You have it on your design. You can just click on it and head over to click on this particular 3D image and click on more. You may find link on it. Also, you can link it with a link. I can understand me. So that is it. So that is about that. Let us test the website as we have created it successfully. And for this express, maybe someone might click on it. So I'm going to show you what you will do. Let me show you. For this card, it is referring to our services, our product. So let us redirect this card to page 3. So when someone click on it, it will surely redirect him to the page 3. I hope you understand me. To the product page. You see, done. When someone click on that card, it will redirect him to the product page. I hope you understand me. And let me show you this. For this particular express, let me just add a home page. I'll link it with the home page. Yes, so that is it. So now the next thing you need to do is to just click on this eye as we have done creating the design. So click on that particular eye. You can have it resized on mobile or not resized based on how you like to see it. But as for me, as right now, I'm not resizing it on mobile because I want you to have a good view. So I can see with navigation or without navigation. Navigations are the page name. I hope you understand me. You can see now the page names are gone. You need to scroll down for you to reach any page. So with navigation, you can see there are shortcuts that when you click on services, on product, on contact, it will redirect you there. So click on this particular place and then wait for it. And then you can see there are a lot of options here. You can do it with the pre-domain, purchase a new domain from Canva, and also you can use your existing domain. When you buy a domain somewhere else, you can just use it on Canva. I'm going to do a tutorial also on this, but not right now. I'm going to do a tutorial on how to connect your own domain, to have your own domain on Canva with the Canva website, so that your website will be listed on Google. I hope you understand me. You can see when someone searches for you on Google, it will surely show them that particular website. So I'm going to do a tutorial on how to do that, but as for now, we are going to use a pre-domain. So click on pre-domain. Canva give you access to have a pre-domain. So I'm going to just, if you want to change this particular name of the website, you can just change it. You can see sgdb.mycanva.site/flash sale. That is the name of the website. Let's assume I want to just have that particular flash. Let me say express sale. Let me say express. I can just want to have it like that. And also, if you have a logo, what you don't know, let me show you right now. You can just input another. You can import from your file folder. I hope you understand. You just click on this plus button and upload your logo. Then this Canva logo will not be showing. When someone visit your website, it will show your logo. So that is Canva for you. I hope you understand me. You don't know it, so this is it. You can see, you can input the description of your website. you can just sit down and type that. I hope you understand. I don't want to waste my time on that. Express sales. Okay, for the name of your site, you can just click on this one and do anything that you need. I hope you understand me. You can see it over there. So you can input the description of their website, and then for this hide my website from search engine, just untick it. Make sure you untick that particular thing, because when someone is using the website on social media handles, it will not work. So click on publish. After everything you are done, click on publish and wait for it. It will surely publish the website for you. Just wait for the magic. It is not something hard to create everything in Canva. You just don't have knowledge on how to do that. But make sure on this channel to subscribe and hit the subscribe button. To subscribe and turn on the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload a new video. We will be uploading a video on how to use Canva, on how to make money online, and so many other things, on personal development and so many things. So please like this video and also comment if you have any question. I will surely respond to you. So you can see that our website is now live. So you can copy the link of your website and save it up and understand it for later, and then let us visit the website right now. So you can see the website. It is really good. It is really good. This is really amazing. Let me show you how it works. Order now. You can see it is now asking me to go to WhatsApp. You can see it over there. So let me just click on this cart that I input. You can see it is taking me to the product page. Let me click on this Express. It is on the home page already. So let me just click on navigation keys. You can see over there services. It is taking me contact. It is taking me there, and I bring back home menu. You can see over there, and then services. You can see this is really amazing. Product. It is taking us there. So that is how you will do it in Canva. You can see this is really amazing. You can create your own store. You can charge people to create this for them. This is something that you can create in minutes. In minutes you can create and collect your own money. You can collect $10 to $15, $20, even up to $100 to create this, because there are some clients, if you go to Fiverr, they are collecting $500, $300 to create a WordPress website. So you do something in Canva, you can purchase a domain out there. I will do a tutorial on how to purchase a domain and connect it with Canva later on. So you can check out some of my tutorials back. I have created a tutorial on how to create a portfolio website using Canva, and also you can check a lot of them. I have them on my channel. Just scroll down to my channel and you will find them. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and like this video, comment, and also share it with the friends so that we can reach more people on YouTube. So thank you very much. It is Alamere Shite and I'm signing out. We will meet up next time. Thank you. You are welcome.